CPAGrip tutorial. How to use CPAGrip step by step. Hello team, welcome back. Today we'll provide an overview of how you can get started with CPAGrip. So let's explore. First thing, what is it CPAGrip? CPAGrip is a robust affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers and publishers. It can operate on a cost per action model, which means you earn a commission for specific actions taken by users referred through your marketing efforts. These actions can include filling out forms, signing up for newsletters, downloading apps, completing surveys, or making purchases. CPAGrip offers a wide range of high-converting offers, ensuring there's something for everyone to promote. Now, getting started. To embark on your CPA journey, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. First, visit the CPAGrip website, cpagrip.com, and then go and click on the register in the top right-hand corner, and that will take you to this sign-up page here. So go ahead and scroll down, and we can sign up for free. Now all you need to do is to enter your first name, last name, company, website, email address, password, and complete all this information here. Then you have to agree to the term and the condition and then register, and you'll then have your account which you can then log into. After you've logged into your CPAGrip dashboard, you'll see something that looks like this. So on the left here, you've got the public chat. Now, these are real people talking about different methods that they're using, and they're also kind of showing how much money they've made. So you can go ahead and talk in here. To the right here, you've got your stats. It's going to show you how many views you've got, how many clicks on your offers, and then how many leads, and how much money that's made you. Then you've got your hourly stats here. Then if we scroll down the page, as you see, we've got the recently added offers and the top performing offers. Now there are a couple of ways that you can make money with CPAGrip and a couple of different monetization methods that they have. So for example, first if you go to offers tools and click on my offers, you can see a list of all of these individual offers. Now I'm in Morocco, so currently I'm seeing the offers for Morocco, but you can go and filter this, and you can choose any country you want. You can just choose all countries or United States. For example, for the video, I'll choose United Kingdom, UK. Like this, just an example. You can also find here the category. You can find, wait a minute, please. As you see, we can find download mobile, pen submit, credit card submit, and more. We have also the show states and the search bar. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see the type of offer. We have a lot of offers here for today. We can change the type, just click on type, and we have the Apple offers, download, I'm sorry, I mean you have desktop offer, Apple offers, Android offers, and more. For the category email, credit card submit, we can change the image and everything, anything you want to change. So for the offers, the top offers here, we have this offer is on Android. Take this survey for a reward. If you click on this offer, you get paid 90 cents. For the performance, we have 33%. And for the conversion rate, we have 11%. That means 11% of people will go and click to this offers, as you see. We have also more offers here. For example, these offers, when you we have get your starter today, you will pay $3.42. As you see, we have a lot of offers. So that's what CPA marketing is about, really. It's about sending traffic to an offer and then having a percentage of that offer converge and the win, the action. So the cost per action, which means you'll get paid.